Hello, my friend. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine in your respective life. Welcome to my YouTube channel, English and Life Lesson with Nitin. My friend, today I am going to describe what is active voice and what is passive voice. But before I begin, let's understand what is voice. See, voice is a form of verb which is used to show whether the subject is given more emphasis or the action performed by the subject is given more emphasis. Now, my friend, in a sentence, when any subject performs any action, it can be shown in two different ways, active voice or passive voice. Now, question arises why we use active voice and why we use passive voice. Now, in a sentence, whenever we have to put more emphasis on the doer of that action, then we use active voice. Now, in a sentence, whenever we have to put more emphasis on the receiver of the action, or you can say object, then we use passive voice. Now let's understand through example. But before I give you example, my friend, you all know that there are three type of tenses are there: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Again, each tense is divided into four part: present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Now, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Now, let's take example one by one. Present infinitive. सोहन does this work. सोहन ये काम करता है. That is in active voice. Now, if you have to write the same sentence in the passive voice, this work is done by सोहन. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जाता है. That is the present indefinite. Now, the same sentence, I am taking the same example, right? Now, सोहन is doing this work in present continuous. सोहन ये काम कर रहा है. That is in active voice. Now, in the passive voice, we are going to write the same sentence. This work is being done by सोहन. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जा रहा है. Now, present perfect. Sohan has done this work. Means that is in active voice and we are putting more emphasis on that completed action. Now the same sentence in the passive voice can be written like this. This work has been done by Sohan. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जा चुका है. Now, present perfect continuous. Sohan has, in active voice, Sohan has been doing this work. But my friend, we cannot make the passive of present perfect continuous. We cannot write that Sohan has been doing this work, because to be cannot be used together. As we know that there be family verb are is, am, are, was, were, be, being and been. So two being cannot be used together in a sentence. Now, past indefinite. सोहन did this work. सोहन ने यह काम किया. Now that is an active voice. Again, what is the passive of that one? This work was done by सोहन. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया गया. Now, past continuous. सोहन was doing this work. सोहन यह काम कर रहा था. Now the same sentence in passive voice. This work was being done by सोहन. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जा रहा था. Now, past perfect. सोहन had done this work. सोहन ने यह काम कर चुका था. Now, the passive of the same. This work had been done by सोहन. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जा चुका था. Now, again, past perfect continuous. सोहन had been doing this work. सोहन ये काम कर रहा था. Now, we cannot make the passive of past perfect continuous. We cannot write that Sohan had been doing this work. Two being cannot be used together. Now let's move to the future indefinite. सोहन will do this work. सोहन ये काम करेगा. That is an active voice. Now again the same sentence in the passive voice. This work will be done by सोहन. यह काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जाएगा. Now future continuous. सोहन will be doing this work. सोहन ये काम करेगा. Now passive of that again, Sohan will be being doing this work. That is not possible. Meaning to say that we cannot make the passive of future continuous. Now future perfect tense. Sohan will have done this work. सोहन ये काम कर चुका होगा. Now the same sentence in the passive voice. This work will have been done by सोहन. ये काम सोहन के द्वारा किया जा चुका होगा. Right. That is the future perfect. Now again future perfect continuous, that Sohan will have been doing this work. Now we cannot make the passive of future perfect continuous. This work will have been being doing this work. We cannot write. As I already said you that two being cannot be used together. So my friend, we can make, there are three type of tenses, right? But each tenses is divided into four part, and there are, meaning to say there are 16 type of tenses, but we can make the passive of only 12 tenses. We cannot make the passive of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, and future perfect continuous. So my friend, in nutshell, all I can say that we use active voice whenever we have to put more emphasis on the doer of the action. Now when we use passive voice whenever we have to put more emphasis on the receiver of the action. I hope my friend you understand the active voice and passive voice. And my friend, if you have any doubt, then you can write down your doubt in the comment section below. My friend, if you like this video and if you think this content is worthy, then you can share it with your family, your friend, and even subscribe to my YouTube channel English and Life Lesson with Nitin. And if you think that this content is worthy, then you can like this one. My friend, I pray to God that you all get lot of success in your life, whether it is a name, fame, reputation in your respective, but that work must be related towards humanities. So my friend, with this note, I want to end this video. All I can say, Shriman Narayan, Shriman Narayan, Shriman Narayan, Shriman Narayan, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Take care, my friend. Take care.